Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are going to be putting on press-on nails from Lovful. I'm going to be using the stickies this time instead of glue, just because I want the option of pulling them off or whatever. Here I'm showing you what all comes in the package. It comes with glue, comes with a file, it comes with a push stick and a cuticle cleaner. I also needed alcohol and a nail dehydrator for maximum hold. So at this point, I'm going to be pushing my cuticles back, and then I'm going to file the shine or buff the shine out of my nails. Like I said before, here I am buffing the shine out of my nails, and what you do to one hand, you're going to do to the other. For the purpose of this video, I'm only going to show one hand, but you generally do both hands, like duh. Anyways, so this nail company does 100% acrylic nails, acrylic press-ons. They're viral on TikTok, and I just decided to try them out. And I don't know, y'all. I think I'm pleased with them. They're extremely long. They were longer than what I was expecting. So here I am. I'm going to go ahead and clean off the alcohol, clean my nail beds with alcohol to get the dust off. And then I'm going to apply my dehydrator. But yeah, like I was saying, they're extremely long, and they were the curved nails in mid-length with small nail beds, but they seem to be still too long for me. So I think I'm going to order some more just in a shorter length. But overall, I do like the nails. I think they're cute or whatever. Okay, so here's me putting the sticky tabs on, measuring them to my finger. It was pretty easy to put on, just peel and stick. I did my whole hand. I did both hands or whatever. And then I'll be applying the fingernails right after. Here I am peeling the sticky tabs off, the paper off the sticky tab, and then I'll be applying the fingernails. I started with my pinky because it was the easiest to do. You can start with whatever you want to start with, but it was just easier to work my way from the outside in. So from pinky to thumb. Like I was saying, these nails are really cute, but they are super long. They're durable and they're sturdy. I did a click-clack test later on in the video. Like, I played with these nails for a good while before I pulled them off, but I couldn't do anything with them. Like, I couldn't cook, I couldn't make my bed, I couldn't do anything with these nails, so I had to take them off. But I will be ordering some more in just a shorter length, something that's a little bit more active, a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? A little bit more active for me, something that I can actually use. So there's that. Okay, now all the fingernails are on, and this is what the final results looking like. So cute. I love them. They're giving very much coquette, so demure. Alright, y'all, that's it for the video. So thanks for watching.